30 pushing. VIP already caught the longs. Yeah, like 30, take your time. First trade idea of the day. Bullish on 30 to take it back to the top. What's up, my boy? Damn, look at this. Fast stop loss. Stop loss hit. Looking for sales, definitely now. Last trade idea of the day, looking for the sales. Here with the gang, I'm in, baby. TP1 already hit. V2 hit, oh my God. Come on now, now move. Hey, big dog status, yeah. Look at that, we up, baby. Yeah. Welcome back to the channel, it's your boy, Keno Brown, and it's another great day to be great. So, we about to jump on the call with the VIP as usual, you already knew that. Come on, if you're new here, we're going to jump on a call with the VIP. If you want to be a part of the VIP, link in the description down below. 50% off with code 500. Just type in 500, 50% off. Come on, you can be a part of the group, make money with us, be around like-minded individuals, grow your network, all that good stuff. But without further ado, let's get into the video. I want to take sales here, but I also want to take sales down here. I mean buys, excuse me. Yeah. It's tragic. Not talking about sales. I might take one contract up here and I'll take another contract down here. Okay. Technical difficulties. Damn, this candle don't look good anymore. I don't like how it's closing. Look at how it's closing. I don't like how this candle's closing. Very wickish. Yeah, this is tough. Stop loss hit. Tough. Oh yeah, I'm looking for sales now, man. I'm definitely looking for sales now. All right, cool, hold on. I'm looking for sales, come on. I'm looking for them sales. Come on, give me them sales, buddy. Ooh, look how it's dropping. Oh yeah, I like that. Last trade idea today. You know what my low is then. Hey! This is just drawing, just tap me in quick as hell. I'm in, baby. TP1 already hit. Let's go. TP. Oh, move that, ho. They move. Yeah, they move. Go ahead. TP2 hit. Oh my God. Go crazy. Come on. Hey. So, as you guys can see, man, TP freaking 3, man. I could have had TP4, TP5. Oh. TP3 in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Great work. So initially, I seen price going up to the price already ran previous day low from London session. It ran 2 previous day lows from London session. This damn dog. 2 previous day lows from London session, right? So I'm like, all right, cool. It already ran the lows since London session. I'm going for the highs. Price is mad close to the highs. So I'm like, I'm going to keep trying to target the highs. Feel me? So I went for a trade. It was kind of sloppy. I'm not going to lie. It was kind of a sloppy trade. Took a quick loss, $450. Quick loss. Cool. I was like, all right, cool. Let's reevaluate what's going on. Then I started seeing price dropping. And then if you look on the 15-minute and the 1-hour candle, it's leaving a huge wick. And I'm like, whoa. A wick like that is devious. I'm not looking for buys anymore. I'm looking for sales. So I reversed the idea, reversed the train of thought, look for an area of interest that I can take a sell from, which was the 15-minute area of interest. Mark that up and like that. Got right back in it. It's all about just quick thinking and also being open to the idea that something can change. Like, don't just stick to a bias and just be like, it has to happen. No, it doesn't have to happen. You do what the market show you. You react to what the market is doing. You don't just go in with a bias and marry the bias and just think that it has to do what you want it to do just because you wanted to do it. That's not how the market works. You have to be smart. You have to think critically, and you have to be reactionary to what the market is doing, and you have to be quick. Well, I trade on 1 minute, so you have to be quick, but maybe on a different time frame, you don't have to be as quick as I am. But I was able to catch this TP3, and I am up 1,000 on all the accounts. So after losing 400, I think it was like $450 on the first trade, I came back, took another trade, risking another $500 TP3 hit. So as you could see, guys, we're up, man. We're up for today. Let's go. So I just want to, I want to go outside and take my dog for a walk. I usually do this all the time, every day. It's just a regular thing. But I'm not even going to waste y'all time with that. I know y'all want to know how did I make this money. Although I just broke it down for you, I can break it down on the charts to give y'all more in-depth detail on how I was able to accomplish this. I did this on a copy trader, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts that copy traded the same thing. Something happened with the copy trader where one of the accounts reversed trade. Weird. Trust me, technology, I don't understand it sometimes. I'm trying to implement it. I'm trying to get good at it, trying to use it to better myself. But sometimes it just does weird stuff that is out of my control. I really don't know what happened with this damn trade idea, but it is what it is. I'm pretty solid for the day. Most of my accounts are in the green and up $1,000. Yeah, so solid day so far. Let's get into the breakdown. Let's go. Okay, let's get right into the breakdown session. As you guys probably seen from the live session already that I have uploaded in this video, you've seen me live, you see me woohoo, rain, whatever. That's just how I get. I'm just like very animated, very theatrical, and trust me, I don't really care. As you can see, when I took a loss, I was cool. I don't care. I just did the thing with the win because I'm entertaining people. I like to entertain people. Like if I was here by myself just doing, I would have been chill. But I just do that just to entertain. Honestly, it's just for fun. But nonetheless, let's get into today's charts. Okay. So, as you know, I do not do in-depth chart breakdowns anymore, like showing you my full strategy from top to bottom. I only do that in the backtesting sessions on the weekends. If you do want to tap into those, it's usually just go to the videos that says backtesting session, or just wait for the weekend, or I don't know. My videos be dropping inconsistently. Just be like, because I have videos that drop every day, so it's like they're delayed. Like I have 6-7 videos already recorded to just post out. Like they're already up on YouTube to just go be posted. So whenever I'm recording a video, it just drops after those videos come out. So I don't know when it's going to drop. Probably sometime next week. I don't know. But just check out those backtesting videos. You'll see it. I always say backtesting video. But as you can see, higher time frame. Let me make the charts look like how it looked like when I first got on the charts. Come on. So this is what the markets look like when I first got on the charts. When I first looked at the charts, I was like, okay, this is what it looks like. So you've seen that yellow line, that area of interest that I marked up, that actually wasn't an area of interest when I first came on the charts. Now, let me break it down for you. On the higher time frame, this is the 1 hour chart. So what can we see on the higher time frame? We see bearish structure. Boom. You got the lows, we got the lower high, we got the lower low, we got the lower high, we got the lower low, right? So we already know price is pretty much bearish on the higher time frame. High time frame bearish, right? Just think about that. Remember that high time frame bearish, right? Now when we look at like the days, like going into today, we already know high time frame bearish. We could possibly have a bias for bearish, but I wasn't particularly biased on bearish. But I'm gonna explain why. So, if you could see today during London session, what happened here with this wick? This wick ran previous day lows. It ran yesterday's lows, which is Monday's lows, and it ran Friday's lows. What's usually under lows or highs? Liquidity. People usually have their stop losses. People usually have their entry orders. Right, it's a lot of liquidity. So when price runs it, usually it could keep going in that direction, but most times it just takes off and it goes in the other direction. So you can see, once it ran these two lows down here, price was starting to bubble up to take off to the top. So we had our next area right here, which is previous day's highs. Right now, I'm gonna go into what it looked like. Excuse me. Come on, take off these things. Now I'm gonna go into what it looked like. My dog be bugging. I'm gonna go into what it looked like on the lower time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, I drew up my areas of interest as well. I got the high, I got the low, right? This area right here was not an area of interest to me when I first got onto the charts initially. Why? Because it's not an area of interest. It's not a structure. So like you see, we got a high, we got a low, we got a high, we got a new low. So these only 2 points right here, and right here. Those are the only points that I was interested in when I first got on the charts, right? Initially, all this in the middle, all this noise in the middle is just noise to me. I don't really be paying attention to it unless it becomes important. That's the only point. So you always have to stay fluid. You always have to be able to be a reactionary to what the market is showing. You don't ever want to just stay stuck on a bias. Like, yeah, we can see bearish structure from the 1 hour, bearish structure from the 15-minute, but you have to be reactionary. You have to be like, okay, what is it doing? What is it showing me? Right? So let's fast forward to 2 candles to the 9:30 candle, right? This is right before the 9:30 candle. This at 9:28. Let's see what 9:30 does, right? Boom. 9:30 taking off. Go crazy, right? But we anticipated that. Why? Because we ran the 2 previous day lows. London session ran yesterday lows and Friday lows. So I already know it already grabbed some liquidity. It's probably going to try to run previous day highs, right? That's what I was thinking. Previous day highs is right here in this purple area right here. Previous day highs is click it. Previous day highs is right here. That's where it's at. In the purple area right here, that's where previous day high is. If I go back to the 1 hour charts, you'll see it. You see previous day highs, same area. So that's essentially where I was trying to target. Essentially, I was like, okay, if we're making a push like that, I can easily target that area, especially seeing that 9:30 is already pushing to that area. So I'm like, all right, how can I target that area? When we get to a point, an area of interest, I'm waiting for a pullback. Then I'll take the pullback long to attack that area. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So boom. We got the push, still pushing. It's almost at the all-time highs, almost at the previous day highs. But it started dropping. I was like, okay, perfect. This is what I need to go attack previous day highs. It's right there. I'm going to attack it. We have the pullback. We're almost right there next to previous day highs. What I told you about highs and lows, liquidity. Usually liquidity is sitting at the higher or lows, resting liquidity. Now, if you don't know what liquidity is, please just Google it. I don't know. I can't explain everything in every video that I make. Liquidity is pretty simple. It's just resting orders like stop losses or sell limits or buy limits, or sell stops, buy stops. It's just orders that are at a specific area in a bunch, in a mass, and price likes to go to that area to activate it and then collect the money, basically taking in the opposite direction, making people take stop losses, making people lose money, and then they go. So that's basically liquidity. Quick breakdown. So I'm like, all right, cool, we got the pullback, we hit the area of interest, we got the pullback. Let's try to target all-time highs. TP2 is a little bit above all-time highs. Not all-time highs, keep saying that. TP2 is right above previous day highs, right there. So it's an easy trade for me. I'm thinking easy trade. How much points was I risking on this trade, by the way? Like 60 points I was risking on this trade. Let's see. Boom. Was this the trade? Yeah, something like this. I wanted to take 2 trades. So a trade right here. If price came back down, I would have took a trade right here or right here. So that's the 2 areas that I'm like, okay, if price comes back down, I'll take a trade right here. But price didn't go back down and hit that area, so I took the trade up here. Price tapped me in, boom, and it started dropping. See, started dropping. So I was like, ooh, hold up, what do I notice? You have to be quick. You have to react to what's happening. So price created a high, created a low, created a new high, then created a new low. What does that look like? Bearish structure. So price it almost ran liquidity. Price usually does this a lot of times, where it goes close to where liquidity, it could grab liquidity and then reverse. It does it all the time. It does it a lot of times, more times than you actually think. But sometimes when it does run liquidity, it drops. But that's why you have to be reactionary. You have to read what's happening on the charts and then learn how to react to it. But that only comes with experience, really, because you need to have chart time under your belt to see what happens on the charts on a like on a day-to-day basis. Hey, come. Anyway, so I already see bearish reaction. So I'm like, maybe I'm looking at this wrong. Maybe the target isn't the highs. Maybe it was just a push because it ran previous day lows. It's a push to go back again to the lows. So seeing this, I already lost my trade. This is the first trade idea I lost. Took a $450 loss. Cool. I'm cool with that. I'm risk managed. I'm cool. Max I want to lose on a day on these accounts, $750. So $450, or I think it was like $400 or something like that. That's how much I lost. So I still had a good $350 to play with, $400 to play with. I was like, cool. Let's see what it do. I think I lost like $389. Yeah, I think it was like $389. So I still had some money to play with. So I lost that trade. Cool. I'm cool with it. I was trying to wait now, and then what do I notice? Price did the same thing, bro. It can't. You see, remember, a high, low, high, low, high, low. So it's definitely creating bearish structure. I'm like, it's definitely creating bearish structure. Where can I take a trade idea from? Where can I take a trade from? The only areas I see is down here or up here. But I don't want price to break structure for me to start trying to take sells again. And all the way down here, I'm not going to be looking for sells down here. It's already down here. So I'm like, okay, there must be some area that I'm missing. Must be some area that I don't actually see that I need to go review on the 15-minute time frame. Because on the 1 hour time frame, I did everything. So on the 15-minute time frame, you remember I told you this area was not a specific area of interest to me. But as you can see, boom, we came down, created a low, created a high, created a low, created a high, created a low. On the intraday time frame, it's kind of structured. On the bigger time frame, it's not really structured. But I'm like, oh, we have an area right there that I can possibly take a trade from, which is right here. Mark that up. All right, now we got a new vision. Where can I take a trade from? Right here. This orange line at 43,656. Now I'm waiting for price to drop. Oh, price dropped. It did it. Now I'm waiting for what? Boom, the pullback. So now pull back exactly to the area of interest. Now I'm waiting for the bearish candle like this to get into the trade. So I'm already marking this up. Boom, this is the trade idea. This is a trade idea. And I'm like, what? The lows is at like TP5. This is a simple trade. I was probably risking like 20, 27, 28 points on this. Yeah, 28 points. 28 points on this setup. Anything under 30 points trade, I'm going to risk. I'm going for a TP3. Anything under 20 point risk, I'm going for TP3. If it's above 30 points, 35, 30, 35, 40, I'm going for TP2. I'm not too greedy. But 30 points, I'm going for TP3. Right? And I'm satisfied with TP3. So, look what happened, bro. Look what happened. It tapped me in and dropped to TP1 in seconds. That's where you started to see me get hyped. Ah, it's lit, it's lit, it's lit. Boom. Very next minute, TP3. What? Yo. It's just being able to react to price fast enough. You have to read price action. You have to read the storyline that's telling you from the top to the bottom. And what also helped me with the storyline, with the narrative of the storyline, I'm going to just do it here. Look at the 15-minute time frame here. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Look at that big wick from the 15-minute time frame. That already showed me sellers are winning. And then what happened after that big wick? A bullish engulfing candle that covered this last bearish engulfing candle that covered this last bullish candle. What does that mean? Sellers are here. They're winning. They have already took liquidity from the top and went to that area of interest, and now it's dropping. Sellers are in control. Wow. Now, if you look at the 1 hour chart, right at the 10 o'clock close, you seen this candle? You see this? That's disgusting. You see that? Not like, I need y'all to see this, bro. Like, see this. Y'all see this? You see that candle? I'm like, that's a big doji. That shows you, look how far price went up, and then the sellers took over and closed price down here. That means the sellers are now in control. You want to be on the opposite side. You want to be on the side with the winners, with who's in control of the markets. At first, when price was pushing all the way here, up here, and it was going close to previous day highs, I'm already convinced the buyers are in control. But by the time the candle closed, I know guaranteed the sellers are winning. So now that's when I decided to switch my mindset from going longs to going shorts, because now I see who's winning. That's how I caught this trade, to get it to get the downside potential of what happened, and then boom, that's what resulted out of it. TP 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. I only got TP3, but you seen TP3 in like a minute and a half, bro. Less than 2 minutes, swear. You seen it. Seen it live on the call too. But that's my video, y'all. I love y'all. Like and subscribe down below for more video, more content. Till next time. Peace.